my name is Pallavi and today I'm going to show you a face pack that is instantly going to brighten your skin. This is a perfect face pack for those who are suffering from melasma like myself, and it's perfect for acne-ridden skin as well. First of all, we are going to take baking powder. Yes, you heard it right. We are going to take 3 spoons of baking powder and we are going to take half a lemon. Squeeze the lemon into the baking powder and add half a tablespoon of honey. Mix them together and apply it on your face. Please do not scrub, just apply. Leave it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, wash your face. Please make sure to wash your face really properly because you should not be leaving any baking soda residue. So as you can see, instantly your face is brightened. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video, and if you do like, please do subscribe. Stay beautiful. Bye.